Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now today we are starting the new chapter that is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and today we are going to discuss difficult vocabulary. Muhammad Ali Jinnah is unit number 4, students, and section 1. That's on page number 78 of your course book. The very first word is indifferent. This is actually adjective. This means not interested in or caring about something or someone. Not interested in or caring about something or someone. This means whatever is happening, the person is not concerned about it. Indifferent. Whether the good things are happening or the bad things are happening, no, it's not affecting you. So you are indifferent. People have become indifferent to the suffering of others. Lots of scolding can make the child indifferent towards it. Next word is wilted. Wilted, it's a verb. To become less confident. Less confident means not confident enough now. Less confident. The flower wilted in the hot sun. She wilted after facing so many difficulties in her life. Actually, in Urdu, you can call it murjhana. Murjhana. So over here, it can be used for flower as well as some person. Okay? Both the things, the word can be used for both the things, even for plants also. Aversion. Not liking something, not agreeing on something, unwilling, dislike, hating. That's a noun. She has an aversion towards pets. She does not like pets. I have always had an aversion to getting up early in the morning. I don't like getting up early in the morning. I seriously hate it. That's noun. Next word, sufficient, enough. That's adjective. We have already done to and enough. So sufficient word we have used there. Is everything available in sufficient quantity? काफ़ी available है, काफ़ी इतना है. His friend's attitude was sufficient for him to back off. His friend's attitude was sufficient enough for him. That was enough for him to back off. Now he is not very much friendly with them. Tactful. It's an adjective. Knowing the right thing to do or to say. You know what to say and when to say, or what to do and when to do. कब क्या बोलना चाहिए. You can call it in Urdu mahir. That wasn't a tactful thing to say. That was not an okay thing to say at that time. The way you behaved was really tactful today. You have done really good work with your behavior. Consultation. That's a noun, seeking information or advice from someone. I'm taking consultation from the doctor. There will be a time of public consultation. Or I would like to have another doctor's consultation before going for surgery. Means advice, taking suggestion, taking information. Executive, that's noun. A person who has managerial or administrative responsibilities in a business organization. Executive means a person who's a manager or administrator. She is an executive in a computer company. He always takes business executives seriously. Some other words that are difficult also in this chapter. Fed. means get along or succeed. Mediocre means of moderate or low quality. Autobiography, it's a story of a person narrated by himself or herself, someone who's writing story about their own life. That's called autobiography. Devote, you are really devoted, means you are giving your time, your effort, your money for something, so that's called devotion. Chore, that's the normal household work, जो भी घर के काम होते हैं, that's called as chore. Bothered, please don't bother me, he was bothered by others, to take trouble. Lag, this is not leg, 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 that is a part of the body, it's lag. Lag means one that is last, coming in the end. Forging ahead, to become better, to build more, to be better, to progress, means forging ahead. Your copy work must be noting down the meaning and POS. Also, making own sentences similar to the ones given. That I have given you two sentences. I want you to make sentences of your own. Please do not copy the one that we have discussed. The last slide of some more words that are difficult is just for understanding. Please do not copy that down. Okay? That was this slide. Please do not copy this down. I don't want you to copy this down. So it is just for understanding. Okay? Take care of yourself. Inshallah, we'll meet again with the chapter's explanation. Allah Hafiz.